Change can devastate, and it took this much for me, with nowhere to run and no reason left behind. Gonna hurt